1.0, not completely done. There's no trim. I'm still missing half of this wall over here, but I got my workbench done. So we are going to move in and start working. Again, it's a Hillbilly garage. Who cares if trim ever gets put up, which it might not, but anyway, now comes the daunting task of getting everything in Hillbilly Garage 1.0 into here. And you guys are going to want to stick around at the end of the video, because the last thing we're going to move into here on this video today is going to be Mighty Mouse. I'm working on getting him back together so we can at least fire it up and move it on its own power around and into the garage. You can see by my excavating here, I dug all that bank out so I can get around. It's going to be a muddy mess. I'm going to get my nice, pretty floor all dirty and filthy, as my wife can demonstrate by her boots. But hey, it is what it is. And let me give you a little tour around here. I got my whole way. Oh, look at the nice fan boxes for up above, just sitting there like somebody just chucked them out the window. I don't know who in the world would just chuck boxes out the window and leave them lay. Anyway, moving on before I get in trouble. All the dirt I dug out of the bank here, we did a landscaping back here. I got that all professionally smoothed out, and of course it had to rain and make this a muddy mess.
With torrents out. So
we are now going to step into the I'm gonna have to go around and clean my feet off. We'll come in through that door. So HBG 1.0 is a mess. I got tools and stuff all over the place. I got to get into there. Main things are my cabinet in here, supposed to be my chemical cabinet, but it ended up being a tool holder just as much as it is my chemicals. Of course, I got stuff here on the old workbench to get in. This cabinet, I'm not sure if I might put it in for time being, just to give me some other place to throw junk. I mean my good high quality tools. Welder, a little welding table, I'm probably gonna move in there, and that'll be it. And I'm still gonna utilize the OG Hillbilly garage in the fact I'm gonna bring up things like my drill press. I'm gonna put out here my regular 10-ton press. I'm gonna put out here, I don't know what else, some of my bigger stuff that I can leave room in there for putting machine parts and stuff. We'll put out here to make that room, and save that room in there. Does that make sense?
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Anyway, so I guess now we'll just get to cracking. You know you love me. here's most of the essentials anyway, moved into Hillbilly Garage 2.0. And this thing looked big till we started moving stuff in here, and my space quickly got smaller, but oh well. Hillbilly Garage 3.0 will make 3 times as big as 2.0. But now, I say it's high time to get out here and get this guy into running condition so we can pull him up in. So like I said in the update video, this guy is pretty much how it was in part 4 of the turbo build. I haven't done much other than, I don't know if I showed, if this was done in the last video or not, but I just moved the sensor from the air box into my intake tube here. That's all done. And I got everything else wired back in. Oh, my O2 sensor from my auto tune is, I got the bung loaded in and stuff. I know this dark, you can't see that. And so I'll just have to do the wiring on that. But I have my oil pump and everything hooked back up, and it is now on a toggle switch. So when I start it, it automatically kicks the pump on. But of course, if I want to sit there with the buggy on and not have that loud, obnoxious pump running the whole time, I can. So that's all plumbed back in, so we're getting oil to our turbo. So the only thing keeping me from moving this to the garage right now is the fact that this wastegate is not adjustable. So what that means is if I take off and run with it now, we are going to be pushing full boost into the little 500s motor. And I do believe this little turbo is capable up to 20 or 25 PSI, which I'm planning on running maybe 7 or 8, possibly 10 at the most pounds of boost, and that's it for this little engine because I don't want to blow it up. And I want to start somewhere around 3 PSI. That's why I got the adjustable wastegate we're going to be swapping in here. So in order to move this without blowing it up by pushing too much boost through everything, all I'm going to do is just unhook my wastegate actuator and wire my wastegate open the whole time. That way it can bleed off the pressure and I'm not sending all that boost. So all I gotta do is pop this little C-clip off. This wastegate actuator arm will pop out. Piece of wire to wire that fast to here. Throw my tire back on and we'll move this guy up to HPG 2.0. Oh, I gotta say guys, I'm a little nervous. Oil pump's running. We're started. We died. Not liking the things I've done to her, I think. Don't have all the electrical and wiring and stuff figured out for the fueling.
Might have to limp it there.
Let's see if I can get her to move. Definitely don't think she's happy right now because it's not programmed for it yet. But we're moving.
He really needs stairs. Here he comes. He's gonna back it in.
that?
That's a stinky mess.
Yeah, maybe I should just let it set and burn that off for a bit first.
What'd you say that was?
That's I sprayed the exhaust header wrap spray that seals it in, the silicone spray. That's
no,
it'll burn like that at first until that gets burned off. She pulled the hill fine as long as I stay on the gas, it's running. I think it's because I have everything spaced out and it's not programmed for it yet.
Yeah. Do you want me to help push it in?
No, we're not gonna be able to push it in. I'm gonna have to run her in.
Look at the muck on these tires.
Oh, I know, my shoes now. All right, girl.
It's gonna stink in here. Albeit a little, not happily, but That was definitely a limp. There's some muddy tires.
you know what I think some of the problem was?
What?
My parking brake
Was
didn't
on?
released. It was on. So I was just powering through. I had it released, but the cable was caught because it's not all hooked up. All my brackets and stuff aren't hooked up.
Oh no!
Well, that just made that even more impressive. Because I really couldn't tell besides it wasn't installed. But it should still want to idle though. It's still not wanting to idle. Obviously because the fueling is still not set for the turbo yet. That's what I have left to do in this guy is get all the wiring to my airflow sensor and my auto tune and stuff wired up. And hopefully then we'll be able to dial it in so she'll run a little better. So, here she is, nestled all snug as a bug in a rug in HBG 2.0. She'll be here for the next couple weeks till I get this guy dialed in. We're gonna knock this puppy out now, get her running good. Because I know you guys are anxious to see the fruit of my hard work on this guy. Mainly to know whether you guys want to do it yourselves to your P5. So again,
That's mud flopping off the tire.
oh, my poor garage floor will never look as good again.
There's more.
Yeah, well. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're excited for the next video with Mighty Mouse. Getting some wiring done. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on riding.